Hello, hi all. Welcome to Lead Track. Today we're going to solve return two prime numbers where the number should be greater than 2 because the only combination with 2 is 1 plus 1 which are both not prime. So we need to return two prime numbers whose sum is equal to the given number n. So there can also be several combinations possible, but we need to print the smallest number which is present in the pair. For suppose to understand this example, let us assume the number is 10. So the possible combinations are 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, and 5 plus 5, and again 6 plus 4 it will continue, and 3 plus 7 it is going to continue the same. Okay, so the possible pairs which are the prime are for number 10 are 3 comma 7 and 5 comma 5. So the pairs will be in the range of 2 comma n minus 2. We need to return the pair. Let us assume 2 is I and n minus 2 is n minus I. We need to return mm, I comma n minus I when prime of I is prime and n minus I is prime as well, or else we need to return empty list. Okay, let us code using Python. Let us code using Python. Now let us take so the basic we need to do is first we need to write the prime number. Okay, need to define whether a number is prime or not, so we are writing that number. And the basic numbers that are prime are 2 3 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, if anything is prime with these numbers, we are going to return true. Suppose if n equal to 2 or n equal to 3 or n equal to 4, means suppose anything, sorry, I think n equal to 5. We need to return true. Or else if n percentile 2 equal to 0 or n percentile 3 equal to 0 or n percentile 5 equal to 0, we need to return false because it will not be a prime number. It is divisible by 2 3 and 5. Okay, so there could be another prime numbers list also, right? So we're going to check until the square root of the given number, because after that it cannot be divisible. It can only be divisible within the square root. So for I in range of 6, we have already included 5, so we will be taking 6 here, and in comma math dot square root of n is 1. I mean, we need to include the square root also. I'm importing the math function. If n percentile I equal to 0, it is not a prime number, so we will return false. Else, for else block, return true. Okay, so we have written a code to define whether a number is prime or not. So we need to write a code to split the numbers from 2 to n minus 2. Okay, for I in range of 2 comma n minus 2 plus 1. Okay, because in the range, it will not include the n minus 2 if we don't add the plus 1, which is equal to n minus 1. If self dot prime means I'm using the prime function above I, and self dot prime n minus psi, both are prime. The both functions return true, return I comma n minus I, or else we are going to return empty list. Now let's run the code. Okay, the compilation input show no errors and the test case is passing, right? So we're going to submit our code. Yes, so I have already written code for this, so the attempts is increased. So you can see all the test cases passed, and we have solved the written two prime numbers question from Geek for Geeks. Please practice and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.